Hi guys, how are you today? You can see the beautiful nature here. It's raining heavily. It's a nice, wonderful day today. Going for a short ride again. You can see my bike, my favorite bike. Maybe I will start tomorrow. It's raining, and now I think first I will start the light, another light focus, so that there will be more view, like clear light. Yes, this is my favorite car, Honda Sierra. Guys, this is Chalpit. We are here for short ride, and I'm going to buy the bhujing. Bhujing is our favorite, famous dish from our place. It was invented here, and it's really famous. I'm going to show you what it is today. It's barbecue chicken or barbecue mutton with some pohas. It's pressed rice and curry mixed with barbecue chicken. So I'm going to show you the famous dish from our place. Guys, look at this. This is my car. I'm stopped here, and I'm going to show you the bhujing shop. This is the famous bhujing shop. Maybe you cannot see. I'm on the other side of the. This is the famous Agashi bhujing shop. I'll show you the bhujing as well, the dish as well. Guys, this is mutton rasa from the same shop. Guys, this is bhujing. You can see I have little stock of whiskeys, then Old Monk rum, then vodka and gin as well. This is the gin Malfi from Italy, and Absolute whiskey, then Black Dog whiskey, Valentine whiskey, Smirnoff vodka, rum as well, and we are going to taste today. I prefer vodka basically, so that will be neat. So I'm tasting the vodka. Meat is strong, but it's good. This is my dinner ready. This is the bhujing I was telling. It's world famous, and this is mutton. I'm eating with the left hand right now. I'm going to taste the mutton. Mm, it's amazing, and the chicken as well. You can see, amazing. Hi guys, today I'm at the Beijing takeaway basically. You taste, you taste. It's in Vasai basically, and you can see the kebabs, chicken kebabs. They are so delicious, so amazing. It's busy. This is a really busy place. This is amazing, like real tasty, delicious food. You can see. This is in Vasai basically. North of Mumbai, north side of Mumbai. As you can see, this guy is making the paratha, something with the bread. All the chicken they have, and if you see the chicken, it's real busy. The work is going on. Guys, you can see if you want to learn how to make the rumali roti, this guy is right in front of me is making the rumali roti. Look at his skills. He is really professional. Look at his skill, guys. Guys, look at this, how this guy is making the paratha. You can see. On the other hand side, the tandoori is ready. Look at the kebabs and tandoori. And they are doing the rumali roti as well. Look at the fire. जल्दी से